Hi, I'm Melissa. January is a crazy month for promos. There is another promo that just dropped for the month of January, and this is to celebrate our founder and CEO, Joni, her birthday. So if you place an order on my website of $50 or more, you are going to get a free LipSense trio. So it's going to come with one LipSense color, and it's going to be random. It could be Bombshell, Precious Topaz, which is one of my old-time favorites, Apple Cider. You're going to also get a gloss, Silver Glitter, Pearl, which is so pretty, or Pink Glitter. And then you are also going to get an Oops Remover. So that is a LipSense Starter Kit because it comes with a color, a gloss, and a remover, everything you need to try out LipSense. And if you place any $50 order on my website, which is below, SeneGence.com/Melissa Chee, this month in January 2023, you are going to get your free starter kit. So that is actually worth $61. So that LipSense starter kit is actually worth more than the $50 you have to spend to get it. So really, really awesome deal. Definitely take advantage of that. Stock up on some skincare, get some climate control, and get your free LipSense starter kit. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of those colors, if you've tried LipSense, what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and have a wonderful day.